Welcome back to Father and Son Fix. In this video, we're going to show you a quick review of the EZClean power washer from Ryobi, along with the foam cannon attachment. First of all, we're not sponsored by Ryobi. This is our quick take and some tips to help you. It's certainly not the same as a full-size pressure washer, but we got some pretty decent results and we're going to show you how. So let's take a quick look at the pressure washer setup here. This Ryobi EZClean is battery powered. We've only got the 1.5 amp battery. We would recommend getting the 3 amp if you plan on using it often. And here is the foam cannon attachment. As you see, it connects to the wand. You could put it directly on the device. We like it at the end of the wand here. And that's the setting that we recommend for the pressure washer soap. Keep that mixture at that setting to get the best results. Now here we are filling up the container. And another tip here is you don't really need a lot. This is the soap that we recommend, this turtle wax soap. We're not sponsored. These are the instructions here. Really easy, and what we recommend, less is more. Only add a little bit of soap there. And here's another tip. Use filtered water. That's going to prevent any water spots. Any water with a lot of minerals, you're going to get water spots. So mix it, and when you're checking your connections here on the device, you want to be sure that this hose connection's really tight. That's where you tend to get most of the leaks. And also make sure that that fitting is pushed into the bottom of the EZClean as best as possible. And these are the results that we got. Like we said, it's not like a full-on pressure washer with the foam cannon, but does a pretty good job spraying a lot of foamy soap onto our vehicle and certainly made cleaning up easier. Well, we hope you liked this. Thanks again for watching and have a great day.